Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning to master English. Improving your English at home is totally doable with the right approach. Here are some effective ways to practice. Listening. Listening is one of the most important skills in learning English because it helps you understand native speakers, improve pronunciation, and build vocabulary naturally. Here's how you can improve your listening skills effectively at home. Passive and active listening. Passive listening. Play English audio, podcasts, music, news, etc. in the background while doing other activities. This helps your brain get used to the sounds of English. Active listening. Focus completely on what you're listening to. Try to understand every word, sentence structure, and pronunciation. 2. Choose the right material. Beginner. Use English listening apps, children's audiobooks, or slow-speed podcasts, e.g., BBC Learning English. Intermediate. Watch TV shows, vlogs, or listen to TED Talks with subtitles. Advanced. Listen to native speed conversations, news, or complex podcasts, e.g., The Joe Rogan Experience. 3. Use subtitles wisely. First, listen without subtitles and try to understand the main idea. Then, listen with subtitles to catch words you missed. Finally, listen again without subtitles to reinforce understanding. 4. Practice shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, mimicking the speaker's pronunciation and intonation. This improves both listening and speaking skills at the same time. 5. Focus on keywords. Even if you don't understand everything, focus on keywords to get the main idea. Over time, your brain will fill in the gaps naturally. 6. Listen to different accents. English has many accents: American, British, Australian, etc. Expose yourself to different accents through movies, interviews, and international news. 7. Repeat and review. Don't just listen once. Repeat the same audio multiple times to reinforce learning. Take notes on new words or phrases and use them in daily conversation. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English, with or without subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Try English songs. Read the lyrics and sing along. Speaking. Speaking is one of the hardest skills to master, but with practice, you can become more fluent and confident. Here are some effective ways to improve your English speaking skills at home. 1. Speak every day, even if you're alone. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. The water is boiling. Talk about your plans. Tomorrow I will go to the market. Imagine a conversation and answer both sides. 2. Shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker from a video, podcast, or movie. Repeat what they say immediately, copying their pronunciation and intonation. Start with slow speakers, then try faster ones. 3. Record yourself and listen. Record yourself speaking about a topic, e.g., your daily routine, hobbies, or a short story. Play it back and compare it to native speakers. Identify pronunciation mistakes and improve them. 4. Talk to a language partner. Find an online speaking partner through apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. Join English conversation groups on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. If you have a friend learning English, set a rule to speak only in English. Change. Imitate native speakers. Watch TV shows, interviews, or YouTube videos in English. Pick a character and copy their speech style. Focus on their pronunciation, tone, and expressions. 6. Use tongue twisters. Practicing tongue twisters helps with pronunciation and fluency. Try. She sells seashells by the seashore. Red lorry, yellow lorry. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? 7. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I should make lunch. Over time, your fluency will improve. 8. Play speaking games. Pretend to be a news reporter and talk about your day. Try storytelling. Pick 3 random words and make a story. Play. Describe the picture. Look at an image and describe everything you see. 9. Learn useful phrases and expressions. Instead of memorizing single words, learn full phrases. That sounds great. Instead of just great. I haven't decided yet. Instead of just not sure. Use them in conversations naturally. 10. Join online speaking challenges. Participate in challenges like 30 Days of English Speaking, where you speak daily on a new topic. Join free English speaking clubs on Zoom or Discord. The key is consistency. Speak a little every day, and your confidence will grow. Practice speaking daily, even if you're alone. Describe what you're doing or thinking. Use voice recording apps to check your pronunciation. Try shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say in real time. Find a language partner or join online speaking groups. Reading in English helps you expand your vocabulary, improve grammar, and understand sentence structures naturally. Here's a detailed guide to improving your reading skills effectively. 1. Choose the right reading material. Pick materials that match your level and gradually increase difficulty. Beginner. Children's books, e.g., The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Simple news websites, BBC Learning English. Graded readers, books with simple vocabulary. Intermediate. Young adult novels, Harry Potter, The Alchemist. English blogs on topics you like. Online news articles, BBC, CNN, National Geographic. Advanced. Classic novels, Pride and Prejudice, 1984. Scientific or business articles. Research papers, academic journals. Tip. Read what interests you. If you love sports, read sports news. If you love travel, read travel blogs. 2. Read every day, even for 5 minutes. Daily reading builds fluency over time. Read in short sessions, 5-10 minutes, rather than long, tiring sessions. Gradually increase your reading time as you get comfortable. Challenge. Read 1 article, blog, or chapter per day. 3. Don't translate every word. Many learners stop reading to translate every difficult word. This slows you down. Instead, try to guess the meaning from the context. Example. The weather was so scorching that we had to stay indoors. Even if you don't know scorching, you can guess it means very hot. Translate only important words. Ignore unnecessary ones. Tip. Use a monolingual dictionary, English, instead of your native language dictionary. 4. Read aloud to improve pronunciation. Reading aloud helps you practice pronunciation and fluency. Focus on intonation and stress. Try to sound natural. Record yourself and compare it with native speakers. Challenge. Read 1 paragraph out loud every day. 5. Use the SQ3R method for better understanding. This method helps you understand and remember what you read. Survey. Look at the title, headings, and pictures. Question. Ask yourself, what do I expect to learn? Read actively, looking for key points. Recite. Summarize what you just read in your own words. Review. Go back and check key ideas later. Tip. Take short notes while reading to help remember information. 6. Learn new words from context. Keep a vocabulary notebook and write down new words. Note the meaning and example sentences. Try using new words in your own sentences. Example. Word. Resilient. Sentence. She is very resilient and never gives up. Challenge. Learn 5 new words from your reading every day. 7. Read different types of English. Expose yourself to different writing styles to improve comprehension, novels and fiction. Great for storytelling, vocabulary and imagination, newspapers and articles. Improves your understanding of formal English. Blogs and social media posts. Teaches informal, conversational English. Poetry and lyrics. Helps with rhythm and deeper meaning. Tip: mix easy and difficult materials. Don't always read the same type of content. 8. Set a reading goal. Having a goal keeps you motivated. Examples of goals: read 5 pages per day, finish 1 book per month, learn 10 new words from reading every week. Challenge: set a 7-day reading goal and track your progress. 9. Join online reading groups. Reading with others helps motivation. You can join a book club, online or offline. Discuss books on forums like Reddit, Ars Cheers Books, or Goodreads. Read the same articles as friends and talk about them. Tip: find an English reading partner and share summaries of what you read. 10. Gradually increase reading speed. If you read too slowly, train yourself to read faster. Use timed reading. Set a timer for 5 minutes and see how much you can read. Avoid reading word by word. Focus on groups of words instead. Tip: use apps like Spritz, ReadMe, or Spreeder to practice speed reading. Final tips: be patient. Reading fluency takes time. Read different materials to improve comprehension. Make reading fun. Don't force yourself to read boring texts. Track your progress. Write down what you read and how many words you learned. Question for you: what type of reading material do you enjoy the most? I can suggest books or articles based on your level. Read books, articles, or blogs in English. Change your phone and social media language to English. Follow English news websites like BBC or CNN. Writing: how to improve your English writing skills. Writing in English is essential for clear communication, whether for emails, essays, or social media posts. Here's a detailed guide to improving your writing skills, step by step. 1. Start a daily writing habit. Writing every day, even for a few minutes, helps build fluency. Beginner: write short sentences about your daily life. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. Intermediate: write short paragraphs about your interests. I love traveling. My dream destination is Japan. Advanced: write essays, opinion pieces, or stories. Challenge: write for 5 minutes every day on any topic. 2. Expand your vocabulary for writing. Good writing needs a variety of words to make sentences more interesting. Use synonyms instead of repeating words. Good, excellent, amazing, fantastic. Bad, terrible, horrible, awful. Learn collocations, words that naturally go together. Make a decision, not do a decision. Fast food, not quick food. Tip: use thesaurus.com to find synonyms when writing. 3. Master sentence structure. Writing clear sentences is key to good communication. Use short and long sentences together to make writing natural. Follow the SVO rule. Subject, verb, object. She, S, bought V, a book, O. Use different sentence types. Simple: I like coffee. Compound: I like coffee, but I prefer tea. Complex: although I like coffee, I prefer tea. Challenge: write 3 types of sentences about one topic. 4. Avoid common grammar mistakes. Some common mistakes make writing unclear as wrong. He go to school every day. Correct: he goes to school every day. Wrong: she is interested in music. Correct: she is interested in music. Wrong: it's a beautiful day. Correct: it's a beautiful day. Tip: use Grammarly or Quillbot to check mistakes. 5. Use linking words for better flow. Linking words make writing smooth and organized. For adding ideas. Also, in addition, moreover. For contrast, however, but on the other hand. For examples. For example, such as like. For conclusions. In conclusion, to summarize. Challenge: Write a short paragraph using at least 3 linking words. 6. Practice writing different types of texts. Try writing various types of texts to improve all areas of writing. Journaling. Write about your day or thoughts. Emails. Practice writing formal and informal emails. Stories. Write short fictional stories. Social media posts. Write Instagram captions or blog posts in English. Tip. Join writing challenges on platforms like Reddit's iOS writing prompts. 7. Edit and improve your writing. Good writing is rewritten, not just written. Write your first draft. Don't worry about mistakes. Read it aloud. Check if it sounds natural. Fix grammar and spelling. Use Grammarly or a spell checker. Improve sentence structure. Make it clearer. Challenge. Write a short paragraph, then edit it twice to improve clarity. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you can master English quickly. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips.